Alright, so this is the driver's side rear Lexus ES 300 2002 model. I think it's about the same from '01 to '06 or something like that. But anyway, so I've got this shock set up here oriented. That's about the way it came out, okay? I know I didn't show it coming out, but it'll be alright. So you've got, obviously, we're going to have 3 holes. I think you can see them there. You've got 3 holes there that these little studs need to go in. And you're by yourself and you need to put it together. So this is how I do it. I hold this shock up in this position here and get it into the holes, which it takes a moment there of fiddling around, but eventually you can get them stabbed in. Then I have a wrench and a nut here ready to go. And so I'll stand up holding the shock with one hand with them through the holes and reach around like this with my arm through here into this front spot, into that front spot right there. Okay, it's a daunting task. If you have somebody to help you, that would be much better, but that's how I do it by myself. It gets done. All right, so I got them all in there. I got my bolts all started. Everybody's in there. All the bolts are in there, and that's about it. I just need to do the sway bar, which when I do the sway bar, I'll have to get something and pry on it and pry it down here somewhere to get it to line up because it's kind of sprung a little bit. But that's it. I hope this helps somebody. Have a good day.